make friends. On the other hand, Bitu believes that reading is super important. He shows everyone how valuable knowledge and learning can be, which is very different from Mitha's mean attitude. One day, a book catches Mitha's eye. It's all about gossiping. This shows he wants to make friends, but he does it in a tricky and disruptive way, which could cause more trouble in the village. Mitha also tries to be nice sometimes, like when he shares sweets with the tandoor seller. He wants people to respect him, even though many think he's not very polite. This shows that people can be more complicated than they seem. Things get tense when Mitha stands up to the chaudhary about what the tandoor seller said. This shows that trust and talking openly are very important in their village. Nasibo's response to Mitha's gossip about the chaudhary shows how easily stories can spread in the village. It reminds everyone how important it is to be careful with what we say. The story also highlights how important community is when someone is in trouble. When chaudhary helps a villager in need, it shows just how strong their friendships can be. Gossip plays a big part in the story, creating surprising chances and new friendships. It shows how what we hear can really change what happens in our lives. A new problem starts with a wealthy chaudhary from a nearby village. This rivalry adds excitement and hints at bigger issues between the villagers. The story kicks off with Mitha doing secret things, setting off a chain of events that makes everyone on edge. It really shows how rumors can cause misunderstandings. Bitu steps up to reveal the truth. By doing this, he stops the confusion and shows everyone how important honesty is in a community. In the end, Bitu is celebrated for being honest, leading to an exciting marriage proposal from Chaudhary Saheb. This brings back peace and happiness to the village.